Fiji. The name itself evokes images of idyllic beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush tropical landscapes. Yet beyond the well-trodden tourist paths lies a hidden gem, a town that encapsulates the true essence of Fijian life, Nausori. Nestled on the banks of the majestic River, Nausori offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Fiji. Nausori is a town of vibrant contrasts. Here, the gentle rhythm of island life meets the bustling energy of a thriving community. The air is alive with the scent of tropical flowers, the sounds of laughter and music, and the warmth of the Fijian sun. The locals, known for their infectious smiles and genuine hospitality, welcome visitors with open arms, eager to share the treasures of their beloved town. Unlike the crowded resorts of more popular destinations, Nausori offers an authentic Fijian experience. It's a place where you can wander through bustling markets, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of local culture, and witness the raw beauty of nature at its finest. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with Fijian culture, Nausori promises an unforgettable journey. At the heart of Nausori lies its beating pulse, the vibrant and bustling Nausori Market. A riot of colors, aromas and sounds, the market is a feast for the senses and a microcosm of Fijian life. Here, farmers from the surrounding countryside converge to sell their bountiful produce, their stalls overflowing with exotic fruits, vegetables and spices. The air is thick with the sweet scent of mangoes, pineapples and passion fruit, mingling with the earthy aroma of freshly harvested ginger, turmeric and kava. Vividly colored saris drape the shoulders of market vendors, their intricate patterns a testament to the artistry of Fijian craftsmanship. The rhythmic cadence of the Fijian language fills the air as vendors hawk their wares, their voices intermingling with the laughter and chatter of shoppers. Beyond the fresh produce, the market offers a glimpse into the diverse cultural tapestry of Nausori. Hand-woven baskets, intricately carved wooden masks, and colorful fabrics showcase the skills passed down through generations of Fijian artisans. The market is a treasure trove of souvenirs, each piece imbued with the spirit of Fiji and the stories of its people. Flowing serenely through the heart of Nausori, the River is more than just a geographical feature. It's the lifeblood of the town and a silent witness to its history. Its waters, reflecting the azure sky above, have sustained generations of Fijians, providing sustenance, transportation, and a profound connection to the natural world. The River holds immense cultural and historical significance for the people of Nausori. It was along its banks that the early Fijian settlers first established their villages, their lives intricately intertwined with the river's ebb and flow. Today, the river remains a source of livelihood for many, with fishermen casting their nets at dawn and farmers drawing water for their crops. A journey along the River offers a glimpse into the heart of Fiji. Traditional wooden boats, known as bilibili, glide effortlessly through the water, their colorful sails billowing in the breeze. Villages dot the riverbanks, their thatched roof homes a testament to the enduring traditions of Fijian architecture. Section 4. A bridge through time, stories in steel. Standing as a proud sentinel at the edge of Nausori town is the Nausori Bridge, a testament to the town's evolution and a symbol of connection. More than just a structure of steel and concrete, the bridge represents a link between the past and the present, the traditional and the modern. The original Nausori Bridge, built in the early 20th century, was a marvel of engineering for its time. It replaced the precarious ferry crossings, finally connecting Nausori to the rest of Viti Levu Island. Archival photographs depict the excitement surrounding its opening, a testament to its importance in the lives of the locals. Over the decades, the Nausori Bridge has witnessed the town's growth and transformation. The rhythmic clatter of horse-drawn carts has given way to the hum of modern vehicles. Yet the bridge remains a constant, a symbol of Nausori's enduring spirit. Section 5. Architectural tapestry, colonial echoes, modern lines. Nausori's streetscapes are a captivating blend of architectural styles, reflecting the town's rich history and its embrace of modernity. Stately colonial-era buildings with their verandas and ornate facades stand as proud reminders of Fiji's past, while contemporary structures speak to its progressive spirit. The old courthouse, with its imposing clock tower, harks back to a bygone era, its walls whispering tales of justice and governance. Nearby, brightly painted wooden shops, adorned with hand-painted signs, offer a glimpse into the entrepreneurial spirit of Nausori's residents. This architectural tapestry is a testament to Nausori's ability to harmoniously blend the old with the new. It's a town where tradition and progress coexist, creating a unique and captivating urban landscape. Section 6. The rhythm of Fiji music, dance and artistic spirit. The soul of Fiji beats to the rhythm of music and dance, and Nausori is no exception. From the haunting melodies of traditional songs to the energetic steps of the meke, Fijian culture is deeply intertwined with artistic expression. Traditional Fijian music, with its unique blend of vocal harmonies and rhythmic percussion, has the power to transport listeners to another realm. The sound of the lali, a wooden drum carved from a hollowed-out log, resonates through the air. Its deep, resonant tones announcing important events and calling communities together. The mike, a traditional Fijian dance, is a vibrant spectacle of movement and storytelling. Dancers, adorned in colorful costumes and intricate headdresses, move with precision and grace, their movements conveying tales of Fijian history, mythology, and everyday life. Section 7. A taste of Nausori culinary delights and local flavors. No journey to Nausori is complete without savoring the flavors of Fijian cuisine. From fresh seafood plucked straight from the ocean to exotic fruits bursting with tropical sweetness, Nausori offers a culinary adventure for the senses. One of the cornerstones of Fijian cuisine is the lovo, a traditional earth oven where food is slow-cooked to perfection. Meat, fish and vegetables are wrapped in banana leaves and buried in a pit of hot coals, infusing them with a smoky, earthy flavor. For a true taste of Nausori, venture beyond the restaurants and into the heart of the local community. Here you can sample home-cooked meals, prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients and seasoned with the warmth of Fijian hospitality.